Guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can see your YouTube recaps. So let's go to YouTube. Okay, let me go to YouTube. Okay, just open YouTube. On the bottom of your screen, you will see your profile. Just go there. Okay, now on the top, you'll see your 2025 recap is here. Just tap there. Okay, so that's it, guys. Likewise, you can see your YouTube recap 2025. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.